A Restomod masterpiece, 1951. Chevrolet 3100 root beer pickup. In the world of classic truck restoration, it is rare to find a vehicle that perfectly balances vintage aesthetics with modern performance. However, this 1951 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, presented by Vanguard Motor Sales, is a stunning exception that redefines the Restomod standard. Exterior elegance, the root beer depth. The first thing that captures the eye is the unique choice of paint. Root beer. This deep metallic brown offers incredible visual depth, reflecting light with a sophistication rarely seen on classic work trucks. Unlike many modern builds that black out or paint the trim, this restoration keeps the shiny alive. The chrome grille, stainless steel emblems, and brightwork remain polished to a mirror finish, providing a luxurious contrast against the dark body. The truck sits aggressively on a set of shot wheels, staggered with 19-inch rims in the front and 20-inch in the rear, wrapped in high-performance tires. While the cab maintains its original vintage metal, the bed is fitted with brand new sheet metal and a breathtaking wood floor finish that looks more like high-end home flooring than a truck bed. Interior, modern comfort, classic soul. Inside the cabin, you are greeted by a custom TMI interior that prioritizes comfort without sacrificing the 1950s spirit. This is the highly coveted 5-window model, which offers superior visibility and a much more open feel compared to the standard cab. The dashboard is a masterclass in clean design. All custom gauges are placed in the stock factory locations to maintain an original look. However, underneath that vintage skin lies modern air conditioning and a tilt steering column. One of the coolest hidden features is the retro style radio that slides out like a drive-in movie screen. The foundation, Art Morrison and 383 power. Beneath the show and go exterior lies a beastly mechanical setup. The truck is built on a full Art Morrison custom frame, replacing the flexible old rails with a rigid, high-performance chassis. It features engine A383 V8 by Skip White, topped with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor and polished aluminum intake. Transmission, a heavy-duty turbo 400, 3-speed paired with a gear vendor overdrive unit, effectively giving the driver a 4th gear for smooth highway cruising. Rear end, a 9-inch Ford rear end with 3.55 positive traction gears, held in place by a sophisticated 4-link suspension and adjustable coilovers. The driving experience. On the road, this 51 Chevy handles more like a modern sports sedan than a 75-year-old truck. Thanks to the power rack and pinion steering and Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes, the driver can maintain total control with just one finger on the wheel at 60 miles per hour. The exhaust note from the MagnaFlow mufflers provides a deep, authoritative rumble that lets everyone know there is serious horsepower under the hood.